Peace be upon you and your family. Oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in neutral medium. Oxidizing property of potassium permanganate in neutral medium. There are three medium we are going to discuss in separate videos. One is neutral medium, then alkaline or basic medium, the most important one is acidic medium. And in basic medium, we are also going to discuss some reasoning question in that basic medium oxidation reaction. Now in this video, oxidizing properties of potassium permanganate in neutral medium. Potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizing agent due to its +7 oxidation state of manganese. Its oxidizing action differs in different reaction medium. In neutral medium, it is reduced into MnO2. We have to remember this point always. In neutral medium, permanganate ion is reduced into MnO2. In basic medium, the permanganate ion is also reduced into manganate ion. In acidic medium, the permanganate ion is reduced into Mn2 plus manganese. So we have to remember this one point is enough. MnO4 permanganate ion is reduced into MnO2. Gain of electron is called reduction. And how to balance this equation, how to write the equation, I will explain in detail separately. Permanganate ion oxidizes hydrogen sulfide to sulfur. H2S is oxidized into S sulfur. Manganate ion oxidizes thiosulfate into sulfate. Thiosulfate into sulfate. So these are the two reactions in which permanganate ion used as an oxidizing agent. All these reactions we are going to discuss in detail. How to balance the ionic equation in neutral medium, that is also we are going to discuss. Let us see. Oxidizing properties of potassium permanganate in neutral medium. In neutral medium, remember always the permanganate ion, MnO4 minus ion, permanganate ion is reduced into MnO2. This point you have to remember. MnO4 minus is permanganate ion. Permanganate ion is reduced into MnO2, manganese dioxide. The oxidation state of manganese in permanganate ion is +7. Oxidation state of manganese, how to find out? 1 oxygen oxidation state -2, 2 oxygen -4. So by adding +4, we will get 0. By adding +4, we will get 0. The oxidation state of manganese here is +4. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number decreases. Therefore, it is called reduction. An oxidizing agent undergo reduction. Now I am going to give a very most important point, how to balance ionic equation in neutral medium. If the medium changes, the balancing method also changes. First, now I write the equation. Permanganate ion, MnO4 minus permanganate ion is reduced into MnO2. Listen me carefully. I am going to explain how to balance the ionic equation in neutral medium. First, we have to balance the metal or element. Second, oxygen. Third, hydrogen. Fourth, charges. Only 4 points. First, we have to balance metal or element. Second, oxygen we have to balance. Third, hydrogen. Then last, we have to balance electron. Now, one manganese. Metal is balanced. Then, right hand side 2 oxygen, left hand side 4 oxygen. How to balance oxygen in neutral medium? How many oxygen is in excess? 2 oxygen is in excess. Therefore, that excess oxygen is balanced by adding water molecule in the same side. Where the oxygen is excess, in that same side, the excess oxygen is balanced by adding water molecule. 2 oxygens are excess, therefore 2 water molecules are added. And in the third step, in neutral and basic medium, double the number of OH minus ion are added in the opposite side. Double the number of OH minus ions are added in the opposite side. Here 2 water molecule. Double the number means 4 OH minus ions are added in the opposite side. Then finally, we have to equalize, balance the charges. Right hand side, what is the total charge? 4 into minus 1 equal to minus 4. Left hand side should be minus 4. Here we have 1 minus. So we require 3 minus. That 3 minus is added by adding 3 electron. Now left hand side total 4 minus, right hand side 4 minus, equation is balanced. So this is the method of balancing ionic equation in neutral medium. Ionic equation in neutral medium. Now the acidified neutral potassium permanganate in neutral medium. It oxidizes K1O4 or manganate ion oxidizes hydrogen sulfide into sulfur. It oxidizes hydrogen sulfide. It oxidizes hydrogen sulfide into sulfur. It oxidizes hydrogen sulfide into sulfur. You know what is the molecular formula for hydrogen sulfide? H2S. A rotten X sumalling. A rotten X sumalling is hydrogen sulfide. It is H2S. It is oxidized from -2 oxidation state to 0 oxidation state. From -2 oxidation state to 0 oxidation state. Now, molecular formula for hydrogen sulfide is H2S is oxidized into sulfur. Oxidized into sulfur. This is the basic equation in the oxidation of neutral medium. So first we have to write the basic equation here. How I am writing? See that MnO4 minus plus 2H2O plus how many electron? 3 electrons gives right hand side MnO2 plus how many OH minus ion? 4 OH minus ion. Now write our equation. In our equation, hydrogen sulfide H2S is oxidized into sulfur. Finally, I will tell how this sulfur undergo oxidation. Now balance the second equation. First we have to balance element. Left hand side 1 element, right hand side 1 element. Therefore, element is balanced. Sulfur, sulfur. No oxygen, but we have 2 hydrogen. Therefore, the 2 hydrogens are balanced by adding 2H plus on the opposite side. Now finally we have to equalize the charges. Left hand side there is no charge, 0 charge. Right hand side we have 2 plus. Therefore left hand side 0, right hand side must be 0. That 2 plus is neutralized by 2 minus, that is by adding 2 electrons. 2 plus 2 minus 0 becomes 0. Now we are going to add these two reactions to get the overall reaction. When we add two equations, equalize number of electron. Here you have 3 electron, here 2 electron. Electrons are in different numbers. To equal the electrons on the both equation, the first equation is completely multiplied by 2. Second equation is completely multiplied by 3. First equation is completely multiplied by 2 and second equation is completely multiplied by 3. If you multiply the second equation, first equation by 2, 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 2s are 4. 2 into 3s are 6. 2 into 3s are 6. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 into 4s are 8. First equation is completely multiplied by 2. Second equation is completely multiplied by 3. 3H2S, 3 sulfur, 3 into 2s are 6H plus, 3 into 2s are 6 electrons. 6 electrons. Now cancel the equal quantities. 6 electron get cancelled. No other cancellation, but here we have one more point in this equation. What is that point? 6H plus we have. There 8OH minus. Here I am writing 6H plus and how many OH minus? 8OH minus. 8OH minus on the right hand side. 6H plus and 6OH minus form 6 molecules of water. 6H plus and 6OH minus form 6 water molecule. Remaining we have 2OH minus. Now we can cancel the number of water molecule. Here you have 4 water molecule. Here 6 water molecules. So what is the remaining water molecule? 2 water molecule. Already we have 2 OH minus, always remember. Now you can add the two equation to get the final equation. Left hand side we have 2MnO4 minus permanganate ion plus 3H2S on the left hand side. What are the molecules on the right hand side? 2MnO2 plus 3 sulfur plus how many water molecule? 2 water molecule plus how many OH? 2 OH minus. So this is the final equation of oxidation of hydrogen sulfide into sulfur. Oxidation state of sulfur in hydrogen sulfide is -2. 1 hydrogen plus 1, 2 hydrogen plus 2, therefore oxidation state -1. Element in free state, sulfur on the right hand side, oxidation state 0. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. Hydrogen sulfide is oxidized into sulfur. In permanganate ion, manganese is in +7 oxidation state. In MnO2, manganese is in +4 oxidation state. 1 oxygen 2 minus, 2 oxygen 4 minus, therefore manganese +4 oxidation state. When you move from left to right, manganese oxidation state decreases. Therefore, permanganate ion undergo reduction. An oxidizing agent always undergo reduction. This is oxidation of hydrogen sulfide into sulfur. One more example we have. Oxidation of thiosulfate into sulfate. Manganate ion oxidizes thiosulfate. What is the molecular formula for thiosulfate? S2O3 2 minus into sulfate thiosulfate S2O3 2 minus into sulfate SO4 2 minus. This oxidation we are going to discuss. Now we have to first write the basic equation of permanganate ion. Permanganate ion MnO4 minus plus 2H2O already we have written and balanced, and 3 electrons gives MnO2 4 plus oxidation state and 4 OH minus ion. This is our basic equation. Then what is our oxidation reaction? S2O3 thiosulfate S2O3 2 minus ion. If the 2 minus ions are neutralized by 2 plus Na2 S2O3, sodium thiosulfate, used in the estimation of iodine, which is oxidized into sulfate SO4 2 minus. Now we have to balance the second equation. Listen carefully. First we have to balance the element. 2 sulfur. Then oxygen we have to balance. How many oxygen? Left hand side 3 oxygen. Right hand side 2 into 4 are 8 oxygen. So the right hand side 8 oxygen, left hand side 3 oxygen. How many oxygen are in excess? 5 oxygens are in excess. Therefore, 5 water molecules are added on the same side. This is exactly opposite to the acidic medium balancing. So here 3 oxygen, 2 into 4 are 8 oxygen. How many oxygens are in excess? 5 oxygen. That 5 oxygen is balanced by adding 5 water molecule in the same side. After adding water molecule, immediately double the number of OH minus ions are added in the opposite side. Double the number of OH minus ions are added in the opposite side. 10 OH minus. Double the number of OH minus ions are added in the opposite side. Elements are balanced, oxygens are balanced, hydrogens are balanced. Now come to balancing charges on both the sides. Left hand side we have 2 minus 10 minus 12 minus on the left hand side. Right hand side also should be 12 minus. So here 2 into 2 minus are equal to 4 minus. Remaining we require 8 minus. That 8 minus is balanced by adding 8 electron. Now we are going to add the 2 equations. You know how to add the equations? When we add the 2 equations, we have to equalize number of electron on both the equation. First equation has how many electron? 3 electron. Second equation 8 electron, different numbers. Therefore, the first equation is completely multiplied by 8 and the second equation is completely multiplied by this 3. We can equalize electrons. Now multiply the first equation completely by 8. 8 into 1 equal to 8. 8 into 2 are 16. 8 into 3 are 24. 8 into 1 equal to 8. 8 into 4 are 32 OH minus ion. Come to second equation. 3 into 1 equal to 3. 3 into 10s are 30. 30 OH minus ion. 3 into 2s are 6. 3 into 5s are 15. And 3 into 8s are 24 electrons. Cancel equal molecules or entities, both the equations. First we have to cancel electrons. 24 electron get cancelled. 24 electron get cancelled. Then 15 water molecule get cancelled. Remaining we have one water molecule, H2O. Come to OH minus ion. 30 OH minus ion. Left hand side 30 OH minus ion. Right hand side in the first equation 32 OH minus ion. So remaining we have how many OH minus ion? 2 OH minus ion. 2 OH minus ion. Now add the two equation, you will get the final one. 8 MnO4 permanganate ion plus 3 S2O3 2 minus ion plus 1 H2O water molecule gives, right hand side we have 8 MnO2 plus how many sulfate? 6 SO4 2 minus ion. How many OH we have? 2 OH minus ion. Now we are going to calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in sulfate we have. So now I am going to tell how to calculate the oxidation number of thiosulfate and sulfate. Then we will see which one undergo oxidation and which one undergo reduction. Thiosulfate ion S2O3 2 minus ion. Oxygen 1 oxygen oxidation state 2 minus, 3 oxygen 6 minus. So what is the number we have to put here? By adding these two, we will get minus 2. So which number? Minus 6 plus 4 gives minus 2. 2 sulfur plus 4 means, what is the oxidation state of 1 sulfur? Plus 2. For 2 sulfur, the oxidation state is plus 4. 1 sulfur plus 2. Come to the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfate, SO4 2 minus ion. Like the previous, calculate the oxidation state of sulfur. 1 oxygen 2 minus, 4 oxygen 8 minus. So what is the number we have to put here? By adding these two, you will get 2 minus, plus 6. Plus 6 minus 8 equal to 2 minus. What is the oxidation state of sulfur in sulfate? Plus 6. Plus 6. Now come to here. Manganese from plus 7 oxidation state. Manganese from plus 7 oxidation state is reduced into plus 4 oxidation state. Plus 7 oxidation state is reduced into, oxidation number decreases, therefore it is called reduction. In thiosulfate, sulfur is in plus 2 oxidation state. In sulfate, sulfur is in plus 6 oxidation state. When you move from left to right, sulfur oxidation state increases. Therefore, it is called oxidation. Potassium permanganate oxidizes thiosulfate into sulfate, but it undergo reduction gives manganese dioxide. So, in neutral medium, neutral potassium permanganate oxidizes hydrogen sulfide into sulfur and thiosulfate into sulfate. This is the oxidizing properties of potassium permanganate in neutral medium. In the incoming video, we will discuss the oxidation properties in alkaline medium and also in acidic medium. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.